Recent student information systems breaches show just how critical student data protection has become. Student information systems store some of a district's most sensitive data, but even the best SIS platforms can't catch every threat. When it comes to cybersecurity, SIS data can be a blind spot. Suspicious behavior inside the system often goes unnoticed until it's too late. Securus360 partners directly with SIS vendors to close that blind spot, integrating SIS telemetry into our MXDR platform for full visibility. This integration helps detect foreign logins, unusual data activity, compromised credentials, and unauthorized privilege escalations, plus unstructured or unusual data activity that could indicate an attack. For SIS vendors, partnering with Securus360 means delivering stronger protection, real-time monitoring, and greater trust to every district they serve. Securus360 turns SIS integration into a cybersecurity advantage, protecting districts, data, and the students who rely on them.